العليلة أنه ماله.
Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making Musik Khumra, Musk Khumra. So firstly, I'll be adding my enhancer, which is also known as traditional oil or turaren gargajiya, or like our oils na asali. This is kafin. If you don't like kafin, which I know you all love kafin, you can use alkaline goma. Then we'll be adding sandal rose. So I find it difficult to add this sandal rose since I got it. So I already have another sandal rose and I'm going to add sandal rose. So after adding your sandal rose, you can add other oils like Medicus oil, Ali Barakat, 20 fragrance. It all depends on the kind of scent you're going for. But for me, I'm going for that traditional grammar sandal scent. So that's why I use caffeine. And one thing I love about caffeine is that caffeine, when you add caffeine in your humra or your water, it makes it last so long. It helps give your humra this nice projection, sealage. Oh my god, everything good about perfume. So after adding my oils, I mix the musk. So I'm using musk crystals, the powdered musk crystal, the Dubai powdered musk crystals. Make sure you're using good quality musk crystals. If you are looking forward to get good quality ingredients, just send me a DM. My number is on the screen. I can ship to you wherever you are in the world. Just send me a DM. Then after mixing, I will go ahead and add my Swiss Arabia. So Swiss Arabia has this traditional scent which is very nice and long lasting. All the products I made using Swiss Arabia last so long. They are nice, they are unique, that they give this kind of scent that you have never perceived anywhere. So if you're going for that kind of vibe, this recipe is for you. Do well to recreate this recipe. So after adding my Swiss Arabia, I'm going to mix this. Then I'm going to add my sandal arrays. I so much love this sandal arrays in humras and sprays. If you don't have sandal arrays, if you have sandal Pfizer, or if you have Kesar Chendan, you can use them. But I love using the made in India small sandal oils because they are very concentrated, long lasting, and very nice. And I love the quality too. So after adding these oils, like I tried it and it was smells so good. Then I brought my sandal murakas and then I added sandal maracas, and after that I brought my Al Haramain Medina. Al Haramain Medina, I'm using 24 mils of Al Haramain Medina, which is Shai Shibu. Then I'm still going to try this on my palm or my hand to just know what everything smells like. So this is a new recipe that I invented, and trust me guys, this is nice. I've had this in my mind. I've had it in my mind to recreate something nice, a musk humra using sandal traditional oils. I've always wanted to recreate something like that, and to just to see what it will smell like. Even though I know it smells amazing, but I've noticed my mom, she uses sandal rose in all her humras. And the last time I made Misik Khumra, I didn't add sandal rose. So that's why I added sandal rose, and it is a game changer. So after that, I added my UD cologne. You can use Repto. I'm using Cologne Dior. You can use Repto. You can use um My Way. You can use Habiba Bakur. So I'm going for that yellow color in my humra. That's why I use Cologne Dior. You can use Scenario. Scenario is the best eau de cologne to use if you are on a budget. Scenario costs around 8 to 9k depending on where you're getting it for the 1 liter jar, 1 liter bottle. And the small bottle costs around 2k to 5 thereabouts. You can even mix two different types of cologne. Like for me, I use three different types of UD colognes. After adding the cologne there, I added Red Palace UD cologne. Then I brought my Fleur de Mur. Fleur de Mur is also a game changer in this. And then I bought our most unique ingredient, which is the Hayati perfume. You can use a very sweet, classy, nice perfume any perfume that has a soft powdery um vanilla scent, you can use it. Then I added the Hayati. Hayati, I added it in 30 mils. That Hayati, I think is 30 mils to 50 mils. Then I brought my oil, which is Oud Amira oil perfume, and then I added it. So this is the most unique thing in this recipe, because if you do not have Oud Amira and you want to recreate this recipe, your own is not going to smell like my own. Then I brought a little bit of mud monjo. So this is where I change everything. Mod Monjo here will help it last long and give it that projection we are looking for, we are talking about. So if you want to recreate this humra and you want it to give you that long lasting effect, these ingredients like mod Monjo, sandal maracas, and Swiss Arabia, I think you should get it. These are the most important ingredients in this recipe, because after using this humra, oh my god, after rubbing this on my body, I washed the clothes and I could still perceive the scent of this humra. So that's how strong and nice this humra is. The scent of the musk, I used just 1.5 mil, but it smells so good. This bottle is 3 mil and I used just, I think it's 2 mil, and I used just 1 mil of mud, but the 1 mil of mud I added to this umrah changed everything about this umrah. It gave it this unique, nice, long lasting scent. So after that, I make sure that I mix everything very, very well. You can let this sit for like a week and then just continue shaking it at intervals or every day. The goal is for all the ingredients to combine like very well, like they should combine properly. Then you can get your bottles and store them. You can store, if you're making this for yourself and you're not reselling this, you can just store them in a very big beautiful bottle away from sunlight in a dark place. But for me, I'm selling this and I am already packing this. This bottle is 30 mils and 50 mils, and I also even package some of them into, sorry, 10 mils bottles. And after packing everything, I'm going to calculate my costs, then my profits, then add other charges, and I'm going to start advertising this as my Musk Khumra is available. The last time I made Musk Khumra is a year ago. I like making Khumra once in a year, so I like making just i- all the Khumras in limited quantity. That's the one I'm reselling. The other ones I make from time to time are for customers. That's customized orders like bridal Khumra, Khumra for resale, or like people that want to just get Umrah in big batch, but this one in small batch. I don't sell them. I only sell them to people that are buying the 50 ml bottle, because I've already repackaged them, and some people would love to get 500 ml. So I cannot just go and empty this 50 mils that I've already packed. So what I do is I make a new batch for them. But this one, when it gets sold out, I recreate more recipes. So that's why you guys don't see a lot of Umrah recipes on my channel. But inshallah, 2026, guys, just continue liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. Inshallah, I will be dropping more Humra recipes. Then I got a quick order of some oil perfumes, and then I use my beautiful label that my friend all the way from New Jersey got for me, and then I pack some oils. And this is our Humra, guys. Do you see how beautiful this Humra turned out? Like looking so beautiful, smelling so good, nice, long lasting. If that's your vibe, send a DM to grab a bottle. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. See you in my next one. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.